Hey car audio lovers! Have you ever cranked up your favorite track only to be disappointed by weak, flat bass that just doesn't hit the way you want it to? I get it. There's nothing worse than investing in your sound system and not feeling that deep, chest-thumping rumble that makes driving pure joy. Well, today's your lucky day, because we're reviewing the top 5 best DD Audio Car Subwoofers, real monsters that deliver hard-hitting, clean and powerful bass that transforms your entire driving experience. From compact shallow mounts to heavy-duty SPL beasts, this lineup has something for everyone. So stick around till the very end to find your best match. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future reviews, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in car audio gear. Also, don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on all the subwoofers I'll be talking about today. And as always, drop a comment below to let me know which of these DD audio subs you think would take your car's bass to the next level. Let's kick things off at number 5 with the DD Audio SL610D4. This is a 10-inch shallow mount subwoofer designed for those who want serious bass but don't have much space to work with. This subwoofer boasts an impressive 1200 watts of power handling with a dual 4-ohm voice coil configuration that makes wiring flexible for any amp setup. It features a cast aluminum frame that provides excellent rigidity, a high excursion cone that delivers punchy low-end response, and a slim design that fits in tight spots. Perfect for trucks, single-cab pickups, or compact cars. What makes the SL610D4 stand out is how it combines power and compactness. Despite being a shallow sub, it still gives you that deep musical bass that DD Audio is known for. It's perfect for listeners who crave tight, controlled lows without needing to sacrifice trunk space. The build quality is top-notch, with DD's signature craftsmanship ensuring long-lasting performance even under heavy use. If there's one minor drawback, it's that this sub won't shake your mirrors like a full-size 12-inch woofer, but considering its compact profile and clean output, it's absolutely worth every penny for anyone looking to maximize bass in limited space. Next up at number 4 is the DD Audio 2508G-D2, an 8-inch powerhouse that completely redefines what a small subwoofer can do. This sub features a massive 3600 watt max power rating, dual 2-ohm voice coils for flexible impedance matching, and a precision machined motor structure that ensures top-tier efficiency and cooling. The composite cone is ultra-rigid, paired with a wide roll surround that provides deep excursion without distortion. It's built using DD's famous Evolution subwoofer technology for superior linearity and accuracy. The 2508G-D2 is a perfect choice for audiophiles who don't have room for a big sub but still want serious SPL. It hits hard, clean, and surprisingly deep for an 8-inch driver. The transient response is outstanding, giving your bass notes incredible precision. Ideal for people who love fast-paced music genres like rock or metal. If we're nitpicking, it might require a bit of power to wake it up fully, but once you feed it with the right amp, this little beast comes alive and sounds way bigger than it looks. Without a doubt, it's worth the investment for small space setups that demand big sound. Sliding into the third spot is the DD Audio 710F-D4, a 10-inch subwoofer that's all about brute force and precision engineering. It pushes up to 4500 watts of peak power with a dual 4-ohm voice coil setup, delivering exceptional output and flexibility for any build. The 710F-D4 features DD's high-performance carbon fiber reinforced cone, a massive ferrite motor, and advanced cooling for thermal control during extended play. Its deep basket design allows for incredible cone travel, which means thunderous low-end extension and unmatched impact. What makes the 710F-D4 special is its ability to produce earth-shaking bass while maintaining excellent clarity. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, EDM, or heavy bass tracks, this sub keeps every note clean and precise. It's a favorite among bassheads who love loud but hate muddy sound. The craftsmanship screams premium, with DD's US-built quality ensuring durability and performance that lasts for years. The only downside? It's heavy and may need a reinforced enclosure, but with bass this powerful, that's a small price to pay for what it delivers. This one's built for people who want serious, competition-level output in a daily driver setup. Our runners-up is the DD Audio 8112F D2, a 12-inch subwoofer that packs a jaw-dropping 7,500 watts of peak power. It comes with dual 2-ohm voice coils, allowing flexible wiring to extract every watt from your amplifier. The heavy-duty cast frame, dual-layer spider system, and carbon fiber reinforced cone combine to deliver crushing lows with incredible accuracy. The voice coil cooling system ensures it runs cool even when pushed to the extreme. And its motor design allows for deep, responsive bass extension that you can feel in your chest. The 820F D2 is a dream for anyone chasing high SPL and sound quality in one package. It's incredibly responsive, handling complex bass lines effortlessly while maintaining tight control at high volumes. Whether you're tuning for sound competitions or just want to feel your music vibrate through your car, this sub has you covered. It's the perfect balance between loudness, depth, and clarity. The only downside is that it demands a powerful amp and proper enclosure to unleash its full potential. But once dialed in, it's a complete monster that's worth every cent. This sub is built for serious enthusiasts who want to shake the streets with style. And finally, the undisputed king of the lineup. The DD Audio 90912C D2, an absolute monster of a subwoofer that defines what premium American engineering in car audio truly means. This 12-inch juggernaut can handle up to an insane 9,600 watts of power with a dual 2-ohm configuration that gives you flexible wiring and maximum amplifier efficiency. It's handcrafted in the USA using DD Audio's state-of-the-art composite cone technology, a multi-spider suspension system, and a precision-machined aluminum frame built to handle extreme excursion and high SPL environments. What makes the 9912C D2 stand above the rest is its unmatched balance of raw power and finesse. This sub doesn't just get loud, it gets clean loud. It reproduces deep frequencies with breathtaking control and articulation, making it perfect for both competition-level bassheads and serious audiophiles. It's designed to take punishment while delivering sound so deep, it literally vibrates your soul. If there's any downside, it's the price. It's not cheap. But then again, neither is performance like this. The 9912C D2 is the kind of subwoofer that transforms your car into a rolling concert hall, and once you experience it, you'll never go back. So there you have it. The top 5 best DD Audio Car Subwoofers that prove why DD remains a leader in high-performance bass engineering. Whether you're building a stealthy compact setup or a ground-shaking SPL system, there's something in this list that will elevate your sound game to the next level. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest car audio reviews and installation tips. Also, check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on these DD Audio subwoofers right now. And finally, I want to hear from you. Which of these subs would you choose for your ride? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.